New this morning, earlier this week, Chase Bank announced major changes to one of the country's most popular premium credit cards, the Chase Sapphire Reserve. A sharp increase in annual fees, now nearly $800 a year, raising questions for many Americans already navigating rising costs. The card, once praised for offering champagne travel on a beer budget, now moving further out of reach for many. Experts warn unless you're traveling often and spending big, it may no longer be worth it. But for one small business owner here in Central Ohio, credit cards weren't just about the perks. They were the key to turning her dream into a reality. Take a listen.
Carrot cake frosted with a cream cheese.
With each swirl of frosting.
How is your day going so far?
Good. Riley Harris is baking more than cupcakes.
This one was creme fraiche with caviar.
She's building her dream.
I was running a home bakery out of my house and it was so successful and I was just so limited in the space and what I could produce.
So this February, she opened her own storefront, Love Riley, off North High Street in Columbus. Business is sweet now, but getting here, that was the hard part.
We just kept getting denied by banks that just didn't want to loan us money. They didn't think it was safe enough.
Riley made a bold move. She turned to credit cards. No interest offers for up to 19 months helped her buy baking equipment and buy time.
The biggest ones that I used that gave me the highest limits were going to be American Express, Chase, and Capital One.
Financial experts like Ted Rossman at Bankrate say while credit cards can offer short-term relief, they come with long-term risk.
That's a tough one because it's easy, but it's almost too easy. The interest rates are very, very high.
Rossman says with Chase adjusting its annual fees, other card companies may soon follow. And if you're not making six figures or charging thousands on travel, dining, or other big ticket items, those high fee cards may not be worth it.
There's a little bit of gamesmanship when it comes to you need to keep spending to get more perks, and some people might overspend. For a lot of people, I would say it's probably better to go with more of a mid-tier travel card or cashback, which has the ultimate in flexibility and simplicity without as many of the extra fees.
But for Harris, her risk paid off.
They were paid off. I think we paid our last one off a month ago. So we had a little celebration, we cut a cake, and we are in the green now.
Every swipe built something sweet.
If you're ready to bet on yourself 100%, then sure, do it.
Harris says she's built up a ton of points and is now thinking about taking her team on a research trip to Europe with those points. Also this past week, American Express announced major updates expected to both the consumer and business version of its Platinum cards later this year.